Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you have woken up tired, stiff, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit in any comfortable position. You can use wall to have a good support for your spine. Try to sit in your neutral spine position. Keep your legs in whichever way you are most comfortable. Keep your hands to the sides or over your knees. Try to be comfortable and with your ease. Close your eyes if you haven't already and take some nice breath. Try to focus on your exhalations more. Be in this position for up to 3 to 5 rounds of breath. You have to only focus on your longer exhalations. And after 5 rounds of breath, gently open your eyes and make some movement. First and foremost, sit in Sukhasana. Take your left hand support over the yoga mat. Extend the right hand over the head. Try to open the side of your body while keeping the chest open. You can extend your arm or keep it bended alongside your head. And then exhale, release the pose. Inhale here and again exhale. Back to the other side of the body. This time try to stretch the left part of your body really nice. Breathe nicely. Like I said, keep the left hand bent or extended to the side of your head. Breathe. And then with inhale, come back. Now take your hands, interlock them, and take the palms over your head. Inhale, make a gentle back bend. Hold the pose, continue breathing, and then exhale, release the stance. Take your hands to the side of your body and try to make bigger circles, clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever feel more comfortable. Remember to keep both the arms straight and to the side. Make big circles, forward and backward. And then interlock your fingers, place at the back of your head, and with exhale, fold forward. Hold and breathe. And then inhale. Look back. And have a gentle, mild back bend. Exhale, release. Now take the wall support if you have to. Extend the legs to the sides of your body and make a wider stance to best of your capabilities. Feel free to bend your knees if you need to. Try to go in a forward fold. Go as far as you can. Hold your legs from the shin bone and breathe. Continue breathing. You can grab the big toes if that is accessible. And then with exhale, release the stance. Now from here, lie down above your belly on the yoga mat. Keep your hands to the side of your chest. And inhale, get into a comfortable, gentle back bend. We'll try to hold the pose for as long as we can. And keep the back foot, both of them, extended and flex nicely. Hold the pose, but remember to breathe nicely. Continuously focusing on inhalation and exhalations. Breathe. And then, if possible, bend one leg at a time. First, right foot, grab it, extend, fold left, grab it, and then try to just be comfortable with it. This time, if you are comfortable, fold both the knees and try to grab both the feet together. Have a nice relaxation for your spine through this pose. You can also release both the feet and hold it. Hands to the sides and breathe. Breathe nicely. Now, with inhalation, get back to all your fears and get into a comfortable child pose. Try to go as lower as you can. Keep the shoulder open by practicing for a couple of rounds. You can take hands at the back of your shoulder depending upon your flexibility. Then take right foot next to right palm. Get into a yogic lunge. Feel yourself comfortable in the pose. Lower down your hips if you haven't already. And if you start feeling comfortable, you can place the hands over your heart or above your head. Use wall if you need to, but remember to keep your hips nice and square. You can also continue keeping your hands over your hips if that makes you more confident. Breathe nicely, then release. And then from here, you extend the back leg nicely and let your hamstring and hips feel the burn. Of course, change the side to the left side. Breathe nicely. This time we will feel the burn in the glutes as well as in the hamstring by this pose. And this we are practicing from the other side. Again, like I said, keep the hands over your heart center or over the hips or over the wall, whatever makes you more comfortable. And then lower down both the hands. And then from here, keep the right foot in between both the palms. And then eventually change to the side and practice some of the great drills for hips and hamstrings. Extend to the right side while holding up the right feet firm and grounded underneath in a line with knee. Then change to the left side similarly, where knee and feet are in a line. And then, if you are comfortable, extend the hands to the side. And then from here, get into a lizard stretch while bring the right foot right next to the right palm. Get into a lizard pose while keeping the back of the knee over the yoga mat and hold the pose. If you are comfortable, lift up the knee and hold the pose and breathe nicely. Now, this is the time to practice from the other side, which is the left side. Hold up tight the lizard pose while maintaining the stance. You can keep the back of the knee over the yoga mat or extended up in the air. Remember to keep both the palms down grounded nicely and then release the pose. Now from here, sit up straight comfortably in Vajrasana for as long as you want. Now from here, very mindfully lie down over your back on the yoga mat. Get into a comfortable stance, fold the knees and try to hold the heel of both the feet using the palm. Or you can interlock your finger, keep them right beneath your hips and inhale, you lift up in a bridge pose. Hold the pose and continue breathing throughout the practice. Now, with the exhale, gently lower down your hips comfortably. And from here, shift your body to the side and take wall support. Bring hips as close as possible to the wall. Extend the leg over the wall. Hands. Keep your hands over the chest or to the sides or take wall support. Keep both the feet together, or if you wish like, you can extend them to the sides of the wall. Go as deep as you can where you feel most comfortable with and continue free breathing and feel the stretch. Now bend both the knees and eventually get into a comfortable Vipreet Karni where you keep both the legs together right next to the wall. Keep your hands extended to the sides of your body. Remember to breathe nicely over here. Our main focus here is to focus on breathing and let your body feel rejuvenated, and you are thrilled to start your day in a positive manner. For that, you need to feel well with all the rest and movement. Use this time to tell yourself that how the breath can help you to bring the blood against the gravity in your body. You can always make some adjustments in your stance if you have to. Remember to breathe. And throughout the practice, you tell yourself that how energetic you feel from this practice. Tell yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself. Let your whole leg feel relaxed. Let your hamstrings, spine, feet, hips, knees, everything feel relaxed. Try to be static in the pose while you continue breathing. Let your body feel relaxed, and you should feel excited to start your day. Let your lower body, upper body, your core, your arms, your back of the arms, your spine, everything feeling relaxed. Continue breathing. Longer inhalation and even longer exhalations. Breathe. And whenever you feel rejuvenated and excited to start your day, that time, make some gentle movements and fold your legs. And then with control, with some support, you have to sit upright very mindfully. Breathe. You can practice a couple of rounds of breathing at this stage as well. And after taking a couple of rounds of breath over here, rub your palms together, gather the energy over your face and look in between the palms. I hope you had a good practice with me. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And continue practicing this every morning to have best results. Until next time, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.